In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use GoDaddy website builder pricing and cost of basic standard premium e-commerce plan. We'll walk through the exact clicks to find the website builder plans on GoDaddy, understand what you're looking at on the pricing page, and start a free site so you can test features before you buy. Begin on your GoDaddy account dashboard. In the top right corner, select your name to open the main account menu. From there, choose shopgodaddy.com. This takes you from your account area into the main store, where all products and pricing are listed. At the top of the store, open the Websites menu and pick Website Builder. This is the dedicated page for GoDaddy's Site Builder, and it's where you can compare plans side by side. Scroll to the pricing section. You'll typically see tiers labeled Basic, Standard, Premium, and an e-commerce option. Plan names and exact features can vary by region, but the general idea is consistent. Basic covers personal or simple business sites. Standard usually adds more marketing and content tools. Premium often includes advanced features like appointments and scheduling, and e-commerce unlocks online store capabilities such as product listings, checkout, and inventory. A few quick tips while you review costs. Look for the billing toggle to compare monthly versus annual pricing, and note that introductory discounts often differ from renewal rates. Taxes, domain names, email, and third-party payment processing fees aren't always included in the sticker price, so make sure you account for those when budgeting. Also, confirm the currency and country settings at the bottom of the page, because pricing and availability may change based on your location. When you're ready to try it, select Start for Free. This launches a free trial so you can explore the builder, test templates, and preview features before committing. You may be prompted to sign in if you aren't already, which is normal for starting a trial. On the next screen, choose Start a New Site. GoDaddy will spin up a starter site and guide you through picking a style and basic sections. Inside the editor, you can explore the features tied to each plan. If you need more capabilities, you can compare the basic, standard, premium, and e-commerce options again from within the editor and see how upgrades change what's available. That's the complete flow. Open your account menu, go to the shop, navigate to websites, select Website Builder, review the plan differences and costs, click Start for Free, and then start a new site. Take your time comparing features against your needs, and note both promotional and renewal pricing so there are no surprises later.